Imagine your brain is a clock. Not a fancy clock. A cuckoo clock. Now imagine that clock is wrong by 3 inches. In 1676, a Danish astronomer named Ole Romer is staring at Jupiter's moon Io from his telescope in Paris. He notices something strange. Io disappears behind Jupiter exactly when it should, but only sometimes. Other times, it is late. Your brain wants to blame the moon. But Romer blames the light itself. He realizes light takes time to travel across space. The farther Earth is from Jupiter, the longer the delay. He does the math. He announces that light moves at finite speed. The year is 1676, and your brain just learned that everything you see is a memory. But here is where the nail comes in. Romer's calculation depends on the diameter of Earth's orbit. He uses a number. That number comes from a French astronomer, Jean-Félix Picard, who measured it with a metal chain. That chain was held together by iron nails. One nail was 3 inches too short. The chain was wrong. The orbit was wrong. The speed of light was wrong. For 50 years, physicists repeated Romer's figure. They built theories on it. They argued about it. They trusted a nail. In 1729, an English astronomer named James Bradley discovered stellar aberration. He watched starlight bend like rain hitting a moving carriage window. His method needed no chain. No nail. Just geometry and patience. Bradley's number was much closer to the truth. The 3-inch nail had finally been pulled out. Your brain wants to feel smug. But ask yourself this. What is your 3-inch nail right now? What tiny assumption are you building your whole worldview on? Maybe it is a number you heard once. Maybe it is a story you never checked. Romer was brilliant. Picard was careful. The nail was just a nail. And yet the nail measured the speed of light for half a century. So the next time you hear a fact that feels too neat, remember the cuckoo clock. Remember the chain. Remember that your brain is still a clock, and somewhere, a nail is always 3 inches short.